Welcome to Cottage TV. We're about to walk bravely into the spot game. I'm your brave reporter Kieran Turner, but this is Journey TV, so I'm your brave reporter Journey K. I may be too drunk to have a camera, but you ain't seen nothing yet. I have with me my brave associate, Muttley. Hang on, it won't focus yet. Do something dramatic, make it focus.
Dramatic?
Oh, that's better. Got you.
Oh, there you go.
Here you go, emerging from the shadows like the ethereal
Being I am. Let's go. Places I'm gonna get.
I've got no spot. How many?
She really is from Liverpool. I didn't believe it until now.
How many spots has number 10 spot got?
I'm number
She's
10
from
spot.
Liverpool, actually.
How many spots?
And she has long hair. She could be my lover.
Number 4 spot needs to embark.
Hezzy! Down you!
Spot for the Wazza.
I'm number 4 spot. I got 1 spot. How many spots has number 6 spot got?
I'm number 6 spot, I've got no spot. Number 2 spot's got.
I'm number 2 spot. I got no spot. How many spots has number 4 spot got?
I'm number 4 spot. I've got 2 spots. How many spots has number 2 spot got?
I'm number 2 spot. I'm no. Still got no spots. How many spots has number 6 spot got?
I'm number 6 spot, I've got no spots. How many spots has number 2 spot got?
I'm number 2 spot. I got no spots. How many spots has number 9 spot got?
I'm number 9 spot, I've got no
Stop
spots.
it,
How many
you
spots has
bastard.
number 6 spot got?
I'm number 6 spot, I've got no.
I ain't got no spots.
How many spots has number 2 spot got?
In what way is that Scottish? In what way? Spot.
Hey, my spot.
Spot! 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 Spot, Goldie!
Oh no.
This is where it goes wrong, Goldie. We can all do the naught spot rubbish.
Do you know, Goldie, the last time we played this, Warren was number 7 spot and he had 17 spots.
I've got
And he kept saying, I'm number 7 spot, I've got 17 spots. How many spots is number 17 spot? We're like, Warren, there's only 10 of us in the house.
I number 2 spot. I got 1 spot. How many spots has number 3 spot got?
There's no number
I'm number 3 spot. I've got no spots. How many spots has number 5 spot got?
I'm number 5 spot. I've got 2 spots. How many spots has number 8 spot got?
I'm number 8 spot, I've got no spots. How many spots has number 2 spot
Oh,
got?
I number 2
drink
spot.
some more, you pussy bastard!
How many spots has number 1 spot got?
I'm number 1 spot. I've got.
I went for no 8, 9, 8
How
number.
many spots? Number 5 spots.
It should be on one of those.
I'm
Nine,
number
Definitely.
I've got 2 spots. How many spots has number 10 spot got?
I'm number 10.
Don't start
I've
looking
got
at her,
2
Kez.
spots. How many spots is number 6?
Glaswegian.
I'm number.
He didn't do Scottish for
Yeah,
goodness sake.
Glasgow, you
Die.
I've got no spots.
Swearing you,
How
boy.
many spots has number 2 spot got?
I'm number 2 spot. Oh, I got 1 spot. How many spots has number 8 spot got?
I'm number 8 spot, I've got no spots. How many spots has number 5 spot
I've got
got?
cream chives on my finger. I'm number 5 spot. I've got 2 cream chive spots on my face. How many spots has number 6 spot got? I'm going to try and catch him out because he's laughing. Brummy.
I've number 6 spot.
I'll tell you what. Let's have
You
another
can
one.
do any accents in the
I've
entire
got no
world.
spots. How many spots has number 7 spot got?
Number 7 spot, I've got 1 spot, and how many spots is number 3 spot? Oh no.
Hezzy!
Sorry, Karen.
Imbibe!
You got a bit shy there.
Wonderbar!
Number 1 spot.
Someone put cream chive on my face.
French.
No spots. C'est combien de spots avec a me? Give me a fucking spot.
Imbibe!
Limb check!
Je suis number 1 spot. J'ai un spot. C'est combien de spots avec 8 spot.
I'm number 8 spot. I've got 9 spots. How many spots has number 2 spot got?
But then can you give her a spot? Because.
Why?
Because I just.
Yes. It's not fair.
I feel relatively sober and playing this.
Oh, it's like cottage cheese.
It's really cold, isn't it?
Oh, it's fucking freezing, mate.
How many have you got?
I don't know.
That will make things fun. She's number 5.
Oh, we can get
2.
I think I've got 3, but this one's come off.
That's 3
Put me
spots.
on the one
Like only half your boyfriends.
Spot me, baby.
Right, get on with it.
I'm number 5 spot. I've got 3 spots. And I'm currently this year's Warren. How many spots
Goldie
is
is this year's Rory.
No, I've got 3 spots.
Yeah, but Goldie's
How
more
many
pissed.
spots is number John? 9.
Spot!